Everybody has a dream, and life is about going out and achieving your dreams that you want to see become reality. Earth Apparel Academy is a free online learning platform where individuals who are interested in fashion design, sourcing, pattern making, and everything that has to do with apparel manufacturing can come to learn the A to Z basics from industry insiders and experts who are doing it every day. Our team will be participating. We'll have our collaborators from our network as well as we bring together a community of experts who want to share information, talk about apparel manufacturing and fashion design, and give real how-tos, advice, tutorials, tips, tricks, and insider hacks to help you start your brand, grow your brand, or achieve whatever goal you have at the company you're with in fashion and apparel. Not only is Earth Apparel Academy free to all the students who want to take part, we also guarantee work. Now tell me, what's better than that? Usually you go to school, you pay tuition, you have to go to work, and then you have to go look for a job. In this case, Earth Apparel Academy is a free online learning center where top performers will have the opportunity to have a guaranteed place of work and a work family where they can build a career for decades to come. How do you sign up? It's easy. Go to earthapparel.com, click on Academy, register. Shoot us an email if you want and we'll help you do that. But the idea is work hard, learn as much as you can, collaborate, bring ideas to the table, and be a part of our community where we're trying to build the most sustainable apparel manufacturing system in the world. If that's exciting to you and you love fashion and you want to see fashion become not only trendy and cute and cool, but you also want to see it become something that is more and more sustainable, join our team. Join Earth Apparel and make all of your dreams come true inside and outside of work.